Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build this awesome sticky navbar using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here we go. Let us first create a folder, name sticky navbar, and let us open this folder on VS Code. So let us first create a file named index.html. Here, let us give it a title, sticky navbar. After that, let us create a nav with class length nav. Inside this nav, let us take a div, give it a class container. After this div, let us take h1 and give it a class logo. Inside this h1 tag, let us take an anchor tag href and give it a logo. It will be in the place of logo, so you can put here image as well, but I am using just text. After this, below this h1 tag, we will have UL. Inside this UL, let's take a list of item, unordered list, and inside this list item, we'll have one anchor tag with href. You can put whatever you want here. First, let us give it home, and we'll be giving 4 such list of items. After home, we'll give it about. After about, there will be services. After that, contact. This is what will be inside the navbar. After this navbar, we'll be having one div with class hero. Inside this div, we'll have another div with class container, and inside this div, we'll have one heading h1. Let the heading be welcome. Welcome to the real world. Welcome to the real world. After this h1, here it will be small h. Here. After this h1, let us take one p tag. Learn. So just we take some demo text here. Learn some. Just take any text, copy it, and paste it here. After this p tag, below this div, we'll have another div with class container. Inside this div, we'll have section. Inside this section, first of all, we will have one h1. Inside this h1, we'll have title. What? After this h1, we'll give one p tag. Same thing, I will copy text from mention for paragraph text. Just I don't need much. It. Then just copy this section 3 times and the fourth and change the title to 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after this we will be working on CSS as our HTML part is over. Now let us work on CSS part. Let us create a file name style.css. Now let us connect this CSS file with our HTML file. Here below this title tag, let us take one link with its style sheet and href will be equal to style.css, and our CSS has been connected. Now let us check if our HTML file is working perfectly or not. So yes, so our HTML is working fine. Now let us add CSS to this part. Open the CSS file. Now let us add some default style here. Here select all elements and box sizing will be border box and margin will be 0, padding will be 0. After this body, and let us take font, family, sans serif, color. Let us take S2, then padding bottom will be 50 pixel. Now after the body, let us design container. Where this part, this container, just copy and paste. Inside this container, let us take max width 12 to 1200 pixel. After this, let's take margin 0 auto, and this is the shorthand for margin. Here 0 is for top bottom and auto is for right left. Now let us reload. So yeah, our style sheet is working fine. Now take dot nav. Inside this nav we giving position fixed and background color. Let us give it to 2. Yeah. After this background color, top will be 0 and left will be 0 and right will be 0, and transition will be all 0.3 second. Easy now. So just how it looks. After this nav, we'll design dot contain. Here we'll display flags for the element inside this nav container. Sorry. Justify content will be space between align item will be settled. After align item, padding will be 20 pixel. We give 0 for left right. Yeah, we're padding here and 0 for left and right. Now after this we'll be having transition powerful. Just let copy this, paste it here. So yeah, this works fine. Now here we'll have nav and on another list. Here we'll have display, flex, align icon, center, and adjustable content center. And list type will be null. So now let's see how does it look like. So here we have done one mistake. There will be no column, and here it is. Now after this, we'll be designing our nav and all the anchor tag. Where color will be FF. After color, text decoration will be null, and after that we'll have padding, 7 pixel top bottom and 15 pixel left and right. So now let's check it. How's it? It's all been fine. Now that's all. After this transition, let us copy this transition from here and paste it here. After this, we'll give one more style for here. If Navbar contain active, and we'll add this to JavaScript. Then the background will be white, and nav dot, when it is active, we will add style to anchor tag, that is color will be 0, 0. Now we'll be styling our hero part here, this part. Now dot hero will have background. Now we'll use URL for the background image, and we'll take image from a website called Unsplash. Splash. Now let's see what image we can use. I can use this one. Copy this image address, then paste it here. So now let's reload. Yeah, there's something. Now we have to add few more design here, like background, repeat, no repeat, background size will be covered. Let's reload thing. After this, we'll have height around 100. So here is our image. It's quite good. Now let us give it color as FFF. Display, flex, justify, content will be center, align item, center, text align center, position absolute. No, here it will be selective, and margin bottom the 20 pixel, z index -2. So now let's reload. So here it is. As it is Z index is -2, the image goes backward and this text comes from side. So that's all for our hero. Now after we just add some pseudo elements like dot hero dot before. Here we'll add content and take position absolute top 0 left 0 width 0, it's not 0, sorry, should be 100%, height 100%, background, sorry, RGBA should be 0 0 0 and 0 point, alpha will be 0.7, and here z index will be -1, which will be one layer above the image and one layer between the text. Now let's reload. It's not working. Okay, here we have to add this columns. Now let's reload. Here it is. So we have add one background between the image and the text. Now after this we'll have hero h1 dot hero h1. Here we'll have font size 46 pixel, margin -20 pixel, 0 and 20 pixel. And this is the shorthand for top, right, left and bottom. Now after this we'll have dot hero and p tag. Here font size will be 20 pixel, letter spacing will be 1 pixel, and max width will be 700 pixel. Line height 30 pixel. Now let's reload. Yeah, it's looking good now. After this we'll take that container, not PS, not here, so it will be container. We paste it here. We'll take display flex, justify content center, align center, height 100 VH, and background color will be RGB. We'll have 244. I've selected color, you can select of your own. 242, and blue will be 240. So now let's check. Yeah, here it is. It says it's not. Now after this will be your content, not container. We'll be taking this. Here we'll be adding one more class, content, and copy this class to all of the section. So now here we'll design the content. Max width will be 600 pixel, and margin Let's take 20 pixel background RGB 230, here 229, here 229. Now padding will be 20 pixel. Now let's check how does it look. Yeah, it's looks quite good. Now we'll design the element inside this contain. Dot contain. We will take all the h1 elements here. Here margin bottom will be 20 pixel. Color will give it #444, and the content dot content will have our p tag. Your font family will be sans serif, and line height will be 24. Now we're done with our CSS. Now let's check. Now let's start our JavaScript part. So let us create a file name app.js. Now let's add this to our HTML. We'll add this at the end of the body so that it loads after our HTML code get load. Here script src, we have app.js. So here it is. Now let's add our JavaScript. Now let us take the nav component first. First, let document dot query selector in dot nav. Here we have window dot add event listener. We'll add event listener on scroll. Sorry, scroll. We'll run on function fix nav. Now let's create this function. Here is our window dot scroll y is greater than nav dot offset height is plus 150. That will have nav dot class list add class list dot add will add the active class, and same thing if else will remove this active class. Here just set. Now let's reload. Okay, it's not working. I have one mistake here. It will be small s, and let's check. Here it is. So here our Navbar color get changed. That's all I had for you today. I hope you like it, and if you did, just hit like button, and if you want more videos like this, just hit subscribe. And if you have any other topic or videos you want me to cover, just comment below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.